You got your goals written down, you got your 22 push-ups, and your dick is harder than a fucking missile. You understand me? Fuck the world, fuck what they're telling you. It's you and me against all these motherfuckers, hand-to-hand combat on a daily. You understand me? And if your thought process ain't like that, bend over and Vaseline that asshole, because that ain't gonna get no better for you.
The Nation Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back.